On my previous video, I gave a review of TP-Link 4G router. If you still didn't watch it, I added the link in the description area. You can watch it after this video. When we travel long distance and when we need to access to the internet from outside of our office or home to our laptops, Android players, iPad, this type of 4G router is not a good solution. Because we always need to plug it, we can't put it in our pocket, the size is big. So what is the solution? Prolink 4G Hotspot is a good solution to it. The model number of this pocket router is PRT7011L and it is measured up to 300 Mbps Wi-Fi speed on this pocket router. We can see the serial number, MAC address and IMEI number bottom side of this box.
We can use this Wi-Fi hotspot on 185 countries around the world. And it has up to 10 hours battery life. We can scan the QR code and download the mobile app. We can monitor and configure this portable router using this mobile app easily. This Prolink hotspot is compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, Android and iOS operating systems. If we turn the back side, we can see other features and technical details. So we will unbox this and check the other features later. This is an ideal portable Wi-Fi device for frequent travelers who need a fast speed with long-lasting battery life, compact and lightweight device to be used and carried anywhere. First, we can see the Prolink 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. There is a sticker on printed IMEI numbers. One meter micro SD charging cable. After that, the battery. Then the user manual. In this user manual, it is explained all the parts of this 4G hotspot. This is a 2000 mAh lithium polymer battery, so we can expect good safety than lithium ion battery. I will instruct step by step how to configure this pocket router. So without skip the video, watch it till the end. The upper part of this 4G hotspot gives a gloss finish and the bottom part gives a rich matte look. This is the charging port. Power button and WPS button are located right top edge. We can remove the back cover easily by sliding. This is the reset button. These are micro SD card slot and SIM card slot. I'm going to remove the sticker and insert the SIM card. We can insert the SIM to this direction. After that, we need to lock the SIM card slot. Now, I'm going to connect the battery and switch on the 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. First of all, connect the power cable and full charge the device. I am pressing the power button on the pocket router. If the power indicator is in green color, the device is booting. Blue color, battery level is between 60 to 100%. If it is blinking in ambient color, device is charging. Solid ambient color means battery level is between 15 to 60%. If it is red, battery level is below 15%. In this smart portable router, we can see the battery indicator, signal indicator, Wi-Fi indicator and SMS indicator too. Total weight of this device, including the battery, is 93 grams only. It is mentioned that data connection speed in LTE network is up to 150 Mbps and automatic network selection facility. It means we can just insert the SIM and access to the internet without any configurations. Share the Wi-Fi up to 11 users or devices. We can access to the internet using Wi-Fi or via USB connection. File sharing facility up to 64 GB using a micro SD card. This will support TDD and FDD SIMs both. This will work under 4G and 3G coverage. We will do a speed test now. I am going to play a HD quality video on YouTube. On my next video, I will present how to install the mobile app and monitor the Wi-Fi hotspot. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the updates of future videos.